This video will explain the exercise 14.3, the questions. So in the 14.3, this is this exercise based on the graphical representation of data that consists the bar diagram, histogram, and frequency polygon. So let's come to the first question, number 1. Question number 1 is a survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness of day and death among the women between age 15 to 44. So this figure is given. I already discussed this question in this in the live class. Though again I'm discussing. We having the causes. You can see this table and female fatality rate. So first is reproductive health condition 31.8, like neuropsychiatric condition 25.4, injuries 12.4, cardiovascular 4.3, respiratory 4.1, and other causes 22.0, sorry. So what we have to do, question number 1 is saying represent the information in the graphically. So graphically we can represent this data in bar graph. Now come to the question. Now come to the solution. So you can see I wrote the table again. Okay, that is the better for any bar graph or histogram or frequency polygon. If you draw the table, you can make the table. It will be better for you. So what we have to do in bar graph, you can see this is the bar graph. Bar graph, you can see there is two axes. This is called x-axis, this is called y-axis. Generally in y-axis we used to wrote the frequency. Okay, in the y-axis we always wrote the frequency that is given here, and here the causes. Here causes, and next problem there is maybe another thing. What we have to few things we have to remember about the bar graph. That is, the width of the bar must be same for all the bars. You can see there are 6 bar are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? 6 causes, so 6 bar. So all the width of the bar are same. Okay, have to be same, and the distance between the bar also must be same. Okay, it should be the same distance. So it is better if you can draw this one in graph paper. I just still right now I don't have graph paper, so I draw this just plain paper. So what I did you can see in this y-axis, you can see I pointed out the frequency. Okay, like a random frequency. You can see the lowest is 4.1 and highest is 31.8. So I wrote here from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. These are the frequency. So first cases was reproductive health condition, that is 31.8. So as 31.8, I draw just here a line, okay, and the bar here. So reproductive health condition, you can see that is 31.8, just is approximately. What is the second one? Second one, neuropsychiatric, that is 25.4. You can see this is 25 point, just a little bit bigger than the 25. So pointing like this, you draw the bar. Second was injuries 12.4, that is just greater than 10. Okay, it must be in the between 10 and 15 almost. So like here, and keep in mind this width of the bar should be same. Okay, I'm not saying exactly same, but it's approximately same. It's not like you are drawing like this bar and another bar is like this. No, this is not comparison. Okay, keep in mind. Okay, next is cardiovascular condition. Okay, cardiovascular condition 4.3. So 4.3 we drew this one. Next is respiratory is 4.1. So just 4.3 and 4.1 little bit different. It should be visible difference. Okay, so I drew here 4.1. And last is other causes, that is 22.0. So 20 and 22 point is here like this. Okay, so this is the first part of the question. Now second part of the question is saying which condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide. Okay, after drawing the bar, you can write down the causes or something. What is the heading of the line? You can write inside the bar. Okay, you can write upside the bar, or you can write the downside of the bar. Okay, next the thing is that this question asks which is the major cause. You can see from the bar graph is generally used to represent the comparison between the discrete data. Okay, you can see these are the discrete data. discrete and their comparison. So we can easily comparison. Look, this first bar is higher than the any other bar. So this is the main cause, reproductive health condition. So answer number 2 answer is reproductive health condition, as it is 31.8. The third question is, try to find out with the help of your teacher any two factors which play major role in the cause of this above. I mean, what is the major cause of this condition? I think for me, I think this is lack of medical facility. All the, especially the rural areas, all of you know the rural areas, how it's difficult for situation of medical facility for the this reason, for the women, especially health condition, and lack of correct knowledge of treatment. I mean, in rural area, you can see there is the doctors with lack of knowledge. There, to be honest, there is a nurses that is not very efficient. So this may be the two reason as